Big bear.
That one.
Yeah. What's your name?
Mitchell.
That's your middle name. And what's your first name?
Say Sydney. Sydney first name.
Okay. And Jackson has some questions for you. You ready, Jackson?
Yeah. Papa, what sound does a dog make? Man.
Yeah. Okay.
What sound does a a dog make? What sound does a rooster make? What sound does a cat make? Meow. What sound does a cow make?
You can say, what does a cow make?
What does a pig make? No, like this. Or I could say that, okay? Or like say, what does a cow make? Moo! What does a geese say? Say honk. What does a chicken make? Bark, bark. What does a rooster make? Da, 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 do. What sound does a duck make? Duck, duck. What sound does a horse make? Teet, teet.
Oh, tweet, tweet for the baby chickens. That's right.
Cindy, what sound does a horse make?
Jackson here without his shirt on.
What sound does frog make? What sound? Oh, that's a woodpecker. No. No. See, what sound does a sheep make? What sound does an owl make? Hoo. Hoo. The end.
Good job, guys. Say bye to the camera.
Thank you.